my input or my engagement with art making is just really sensical, really straightforward. So I'm working to present something on its own terms as much as possible, and with as little flair from me as needed, because it doesn't need anything else. It exists on its own terms.
It's actually, I think, a very complex conceptual work that is disarmingly and surprisingly simplistic in its form. And they're the works that often have greatest resonance over time.
You always are left with certain questions and you want to go deeper and deeper and deeper. I think that is the quality of his work, actually.
Being here is a huge privilege. Values that I think I have always applied in my life anyway are being presented and expanded upon so that my understanding of them is clearer.